Hey there, plant pals and first aid fanatics. Ever thought about growing your own mini pharmacy right in your backyard? Well, today, we're diving into the top 5 healing herbs to kickstart your very own first aid kit garden. Get ready to ditch the store-bought stuff and embrace the power of nature. Number 1, Aloe Vera, the burn blocker. You know those pesky sunburns or minor kitchen mishaps? Aloe Vera is your new best friend. This succulent powerhouse soothes burns, cuts, and scrapes like a pro. Just snap off a leaf, squeeze out the gel, and apply directly to the affected area. Instant relief. Plus, it's super easy to grow. Just pop it in a pot, give it some sunshine, and watch it thrive. Boom! Next up, we have Calendula, the skin savior. Calendula is like a superhero for your skin. It's amazing for healing wounds, reducing inflammation, and even soothing eczema. You can make a calendula-infused oil or salve by infusing the petals in olive oil. Then, apply it to minor cuts, scrapes, and dry skin. It's a natural remedy that's gentle and effective. Plant some seeds, and you'll have a vibrant garden, and a powerful healer at your fingertips. Third on our list, Echinacea, the immune booster. Feeling a little under the weather? Echinacea is here to save the day. This vibrant purple flower is a well-known immune system supporter. You can make a tea or tincture from the roots and flowers. It's perfect for those sniffle seasons. Echinacea is also a beautiful addition to any garden, attracting butterflies and adding a pop of color. Talk about a win-win. Number 4, Lavender, the calm companion. Stressed? Anxious? Lavender to the rescue. This fragrant herb is renowned for its calming properties. Its soothing scent can help with headaches, anxiety, and insomnia. You can use lavender essential oil, create a relaxing bath soak, or even make a calming tea. Growing lavender is simple. It loves sunshine and well-drained soil. It's an excellent way to create a relaxing haven right outside your door. Last but not least, peppermint, the digestive dynamo. Upset tummy? Got you down? Peppermint is your go-to herb. It's excellent for relieving indigestion, bloating, and nausea. You can make peppermint tea or use peppermint essential oil to soothe stomach troubles. Be careful, peppermint can be potent, so use it in moderation. It's also super easy to grow in a pot or garden. Keep it contained, though, because this plant is eager to spread. So, there you have it, the top 5 healing herbs to grow for your first aid kit. Get ready to enjoy the benefits of natural healing and the joy of gardening. Happy growing, everyone, and stay healthy, naturally.